Hello there, this video is for Module 3 on your own 3.6, which can be found on page 82. Okay, 3.6 says, a chemist decomposes 30.0 grams of a purple powder into 13.6 grams of the element cobalt and an unmeasured amount of chlorine gas. The chemist uses the results of this experiment to help him determine the recipe for making this purple powder from its elements. He then decides to make 1.00 kilograms of it. How much cobalt and how much chlorine gas will he need? The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this to grams. I'm going to keep it in this form so that I can remember my significant digits. Okay, so if I got 13.6 grams of cobalt, how many grams of chlorine were there? It doesn't tell us that anything was left over, so we're going to assume that nothing is. Okay, so we used 16.4 grams of chlorine to make this magic purple powder. Okay, so if that is the case, let's figure out our conversion factor from 30 grams to 1,000 grams. So we're going to take 30.0 grams times some number, and call it x, will give me 1.00 times 10 to the third grams. Okay, and let me just grab my handy dandy calculator. So I'm going to, in order to find x, I need to divide 1,000 by 30. Okay, so we get a conversion factor of 33.3. So is that the conversion factor we can use? Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, significant digits. Very good, that's the one we're going to use. So now we need to say how much of the two different substances we'll need. So we're going to multiply 13.6 times 33.3, and we're going to multiply 16.4 times 33.3. Now, when we do this, we might not actually come out with 1,000 grams because of significant digits. So we'll see what happens. Let's see. Okay, 13.6 times 33.3. It gives me 452.88. And I'll worry about significant digits shortly. 16.4 times 33.3 gives me 546.12 grams. Okay, so I have 3 significant digits in each. So I only want to have 3 significant digits in each of my answers. So this is going to be 453 grams of cobalt and 546 grams of chlorine to make 1,000 grams of my mystery purple substance. Now, as I said, when we add these up, we get 999 grams of mystery purple substance, but that's okay because it has to do with significant digits, and that's the way we have to work with the numbers, okay? So that is on your own 3.6.